Now, Zcash, I'm watching like a hawk because this structure is quite bullish in my eyes. It's holding up very, very well. It's come back and retested the week. I'm going to stick on the weekly, guys, because that's where I want to stay to avoid a lot of the noise. We're above the 20 SMA, retested. We're above the 10 as well. I think if we close another week above that 10 EMA, it's a really good sign for Zcash. It's already had a nice sort of intraday move over the last couple of days, but that needs to hold on the weekly timescale. I'd love to see a bullish engulfing candle by Monday through that level there. You can see we've had 1, 2, 3, and now 4 candles. Another one to watch is Hyperliquid. And I've been talking about Hyperliquid for like 12 months because of the price action and because it's such a clean chart. We have a lot of information now, which is fantastic. Now, you might think this is the time to buy Hyperliquid. And I would say, no, it isn't, in my view, because we have such a clean level that we can wait for. Now, I love this because now we have a lot more information, meaning that when we lost the old all-time high level, that's when you need to just recognize a danger zone and manage risk, essentially, if you're in this seriously. If you're a longer-term hype investor and you really believe in the thesis and that's going higher over time, again, I have to be cherry ripe on it because it looks like it just wants to rip. And this is on the weekly. It's got a lot of room to go, and there's just nothing above it. It just is. It could really get up to this kind of level. I'm not getting in the. I'm not trading this. I'm not doing anything with it. It's just a chart to monitor and watch kind of the beauty of it just break completely out. Any signs of exhaustion? Not really on the daily. This just looks like it's in the power zone. She wants to motor higher. You can just see massive like move into there, sell a bit off, and then big bullish engulfing candle. This should see continuation to the upside. That said, it can be alarming to see these types of moves, just like we saw in DEXI before it did a 99% drop, out of nowhere, because pumps in crypto when the market is depressed and there's no volatility can often be a red flag. There's something going on behind the scenes. There's maybe a pump and dump going on. Low volumes can move price really quickly. Someone's making a lot of money and they're wanting exit liquidity to come in. So just be a bit careful there. But yeah, cherry ripe has to be pump.fun currently. You just look at this. We're at a consequential level, like massive level for Solana. Holding, broken down, rally, broken back down, rejected. So trend is your friend until the end. We're under the 10, we're under the 20, we're under now the horizontal, we're under volume. The only thing looking okay is the potential contrarian move here where, okay, it looks so bad, it's actually good, and it's rolling higher. But trend is your friend. And if that is the case, this is slowly getting rejected until just the bears dump this down, either back to equal lows, 66, or new lows. And we could be seeing a situation where most of these alts are trying to make, sort of this triple bullish divergence bottom where you make 3 peaks while momentum is just gaining. And then it's just bears just can't do anything anymore. Danger zone because we're under all those key levels and we're not doing anything of note here yet. So Solana, danger zone, second danger zone, and this one looks a million times worse. I wanted to share 2 with you, and this is Dash. Now, XMR, so Monero's had a reasonably good go at it. Zcash is really one of the best, well, the privacy coin that just looks the best and can sustainably the best. It might be because of the supply cap of 21 million. That could be part of it, and the scarcity side, but also the privacy side. And for me, tokenomics matters so much in this space. It's not funny. If you're an investor and you're looking at a token with an infinite amount of tokens or an infinite supply rate, inflation rate, almost forget about it. And that's actually Solana. Like I'm not really that interested in Solana because of how ridiculous these emissions are.